Hello, my name is Jen Leban, and I am an instructional technology coach with the Learning Technology Center of Illinois, and I work in the South Cook County suburbs. So if you're watching this, it's probably because I work in one of your schools. So this year I work in 3 school districts in South Cook. I am working in Chicago Ridge, District 127 and a half, at Ridgelawn, Ridge Central, and Finley Middle School. I work at South Holland 150 at Greenwood and McKinley schools, and I also work at Sandridge 172, and that is a 1 district pre-K through 8th building. This is my first year working with the LTC. Previous to that, I was an educator for 20 years. I worked in Elmhurst, which is west, slightly northwest of Chicago. And I spent most of my career actually as a middle school art teacher. And then I transitioned to teaching technology at the middle school level. And then actually last year, I worked in a K-5 building as a library media specialist. So I always tell kids I like art, I like tech, I like books, and I guess I just like school in general. So that's what brings me here. I do really love tech, and I love always learning new things, and tech, there's always something new to learn. So I am an education ambassador for Seesaw, Wakelet, Flipgrid, WeVideo, and Classroom Q. Later this month, I am also starting my journey on becoming a Pear Deck coach, so that will be there as well. And I like to say I have all the Googles. I have level 1 and 2. I am a Google certified innovator and trainer, and I'm actually in the process of earning my Google certified coach certification as well. So hopefully that should be done about November-ish. So in working with these 3 school districts, I have learned a lot of new tools. Everybody uses a different SIS, student information system. Everybody's using different tools. I deal with iPads, Chromebooks, Windows 10 machine. I work on a MacBook, so lots of different things. Some of my districts have smart boards of all different models and different, dates, iterations. And then Chicago Ridge has BenQ interactive flat panels, so I'm learning those as well. I am, for the first time, really digging into the Google admin console, lots of stuff there to learn, as well as Clever, Canvas, Seesaw, Google Workspace, Outlook, and Microsoft 365 a little bit. I've also dove headfirst into Vocabulary, Generation Genius, Brain Pop, Hapara, GoGuardian, Class Dojo, and I'm sure there's a bunch more that I'm forgetting. So there's a lot swimming in my brain right now. So when people ask me for help, I usually show up and try different things and see what works. So I don't always have all the answers, but I'm not afraid to dig around and find it, and I'm kind of stubborn. So do not hesitate to reach out if you ever need help from me for anything really, because I'll always give it a shot. Now, one of the challenges that we are encountering this school year is that in the state of Illinois, we have the new SAPA law, which means that we are not supposed to use tools, ed tech tools, online tools, educational technology, unless we have a signed agreement with the vendor and our school district. So you can imagine that that's not a quick process necessarily, and that every school district is going to have a different set of approved tools. So what you can do as a teacher in your district is find out where that list is posted. Each district should have a student data privacy officer, someone in charge of that. The information should be posted on your school website. If it's not, I will definitely be working this year to get that fixed, get that out there so that teachers have a clear idea of what they can and can't use, and what to do if there is a tool that you want to use that is not on the list. How do we get it on that list? So my goal is to take all of that sort of frustration with technology that teachers have experienced in the past and to try to ease some of that, and maybe even take on some of that workload, the digging around, the finding what works, what's the best tool for the job that you're doing, and that sort of thing. So, because I know that can be so frustrating and it can take up so much time. So if there are things I can do to help with that, that's kind of my goal. So, everything I've seen in the building so far this year, everyone has been so extremely welcoming. I've seen some amazing things in the classrooms. I've seen amazing things hanging up outside in the hallways from the classrooms, and I've even gotten to go into a few classrooms. So I'm excited to have a lot more of that coming soon. So thank you for welcoming me into your schools and your classrooms, and see you soon. Thank you.